Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by joining the meeting as the organizer. This gives you the needed permissions. Once in, open meeting options and make sure attendance report is enabled. Otherwise, you can't download it later. Start the meeting promptly and hit record or enable the built-in attendance tracking within the first 5 minutes so join and leave events are logged. You do this now to ensure Teams registers participants accurately, not later when the list is incomplete. Once the meeting is live, keep an eye on the participants pane. You can see who joins or reconnects. Use chat messages or a quick poll to create time-stamped engagement markers. These act as backup evidence if logs fragment. If you need manual verification, ask attendees to post a short message when they arrive. Make sure to limit unnecessary breaks. Long pauses can cause multiple session entries, which makes the attendance report harder to interpret. You complete the workflow by downloading the attendance report from the meeting chat or the calendar event. This file lists join and leave times. Once you have it, verify timestamps, remove duplicates, and reconcile any anomalies using chat or poll records. If the report is missing or empty, check meeting policies, organizer role, and retention limits, then retry export. If that fails, contact IT within 24 hours. Logs can expire. So act promptly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.